In this tutorial we're going to show you how to set up your email account on the Android phone. What you need to do is go to your phone, and on your main screen you may see an email icon like this. If you can't see it on your main screen, go into Applications and you should see it in here. So if you click on go into the email option, it's going to straight away come up and ask you for your email address and password. All these details were sent to you in an email. So to begin with, put your email address in here. And then your password. What you need to do then is press the manual setup option. Don't click next, press manual setup. And then it's going to present you with three options. The first option, POP3 account, and the second option, IMAP account. So you'll use either of these two. The difference between these two is POP3 will download all of the email to your computer or to your phone. IMAP basically means that all your email will stay on the server and you will access it from your device. The benefit of this is if you have your email account set up on more than one device, then IMAP is the best way to go, because you'll see all your incoming and outgoing email on every device. If you're only using your account on one or two devices, you may want to use POP3. POP3 doesn't limit you to any mailbox storage limitations that there is, whereas IMAP will do. So if you use IMAP, you're limited to the storage that you've been allocated on the server, which is by default is 100 megabytes with our accounts. You can upgrade this, so that's that. So if you plan on using it if you plan on accessing your email on your computer and a phone and maybe an iPad or something like this also, then probably the IMAP is the best way to go. But if you're only accessing it on one or two or just one, then use POP3. So I'm just going to use POP3 in this example. Okay, so I'll go into there. Now it's filled out some information already, but this information is incorrect. Okay, so it's going to put your username in, but your username is actually your full email address, so you need to complete this. Okay, the password should be fine. It's put in the POP3 server, it's put pop.simplydesign. This is incorrect. You need to delete the pop and put mail.simplydesign.co.uk. Or it won't be Simply Design, it will be whatever your email account, what your domain is. So that'll be mail.yourdomain. For security type, if you just leave that as none and leave all the default ports, an option there to delete email from the server, that's up to you. You can do whatever you like, or you can leave it on the server. Generally, if you're setting your email up account in Outlook, it will remove it from the server after a few days. Okay, once you've done that, press next. It will then check the settings. Okay, so incorrect username or password. Yeah, so you may come across this. So let's go back and just check what I've done wrong. Okay, let me put the password in. And try again. Okay, so it's done it correctly that time. I must have had a wrong password in there. Now on the next screen it's going to show you SMTP server. It's put mail.simplydesign or whatever your domain name is. That's correct, so that should be mail.yourdomain. Once again, leave the security type to none. Port 587 is fine, you leave it as that. Leave a tick in require sign in, and then make sure your email address is in for your username, and your password will be your password. I'm just going to re-put this in again because I think I got it wrong first time. And then press next. It's going to check again. Okay, now that's all set up. Now it's just asking how often do you want to check for email. So I'll leave it on every 15 minutes. Leave a tick in notify me. Press next. Okay, so the top box is an account name, so that's just for your reference. The next box below here, it says your display name. So this is what people see when you send them an email. Okay, so they're just going to see it's from Michael at the moment. You may want to change that, and maybe put in your company name or something as well. So that's what they see when they get an email from me, and then press done when finished. Okay, it's going to go to my inbox now, and it's going to check for new mail. I sent myself a test email earlier, so just one, so I should just get one email come down. There you go. There's the email I sent to myself a minute ago. This is a test. Okay, and that's how to set up your email account on the Android.